This video will demonstrate the care and cleaning process on the McCafe MCR single-serve cartridge brewer. The use of a damp cloth rinsed in any mild, non-abrasive, liquid detergent is recommended for cleaning all surfaces on pneumatic equipment. Disconnect brewer from power source and allow to cool. Open the cup holder. Remove the cup holder by squeezing it to one side and lifting out. Wash and rinse the cup holder. Verify holes are cleared. Caution: cup contains a sharp needle. Wipe off rubber seal under cup holder. Install cup holder back into housing. Remove reservoir cover. Pull screen assembly up by either of the two tabs. Wash and rinse as needed. Push back down until rubber ring is flush with reservoir bottom. Install reservoir cover. Open the cup holder. Insert cleaning tool into the spray head, upper needle. Verify the hole is free of debris. Lift the drip tray cover straight up. Pull the drip tray out and clean as needed.